FluoRender tutorial. Machine learning for component generation. In this video, we demonstrate how to use machine learning for segmentation. We loaded a time-dependent dataset with cells need segmentation. The machine learning features in FluoRender are managed in the Machine Learning Manager. Open the Manager window from the toolbar or under the Tools from the main menu. This manager allows keeping records of locally applied parameters for components. One record contains an input entry, representing the local feature of data, and an output entry, the parameters for successful component generation. The records can be later used to handle similar datasets for segmentation. FluoRender will match local data features and select proper parameters. We first create a new record table for this time sequence. Click New and input the name of the table. Also add a note so that its purpose is clear. A table needs to be loaded first to take effect. Here, the new table with 0 record is already loaded. To start learning, make sure the loaded table is correct and click Start. Now, we need to provide segmentation examples and allow FluoRender to learn. Settings in the component analyzer will be added once the paint selection changes. Make sure Use Paint is checked so that we only segment the data locally. Use the paintbrush to select a couple of cells. Then, enable Auto Update to show the segmentation results when parameters change. Adjust the component generation parameters and observe the results. We want the cells to be well separated as shown in different colors. Clear the paintbrush selection when the result is satisfactory. Notice that a new record has been added to the table. We'll repeat doing so to add more records. We want to add new records at places where fluorescence signals are weaker, or where the cells look different than others. Use the shuffle function when the cell separation is unclear. For this dataset, we mainly adjust the separation value when the density field is on. For other data, try a combination of different parameters. The more examples provided for machine learning, the easier for it to determine the proper settings for the entire dataset. For a time-dependent dataset, also provide examples at different time points. For demonstration, we will only add a couple of more examples at the last time point. Again, paint select at places where it may have difficulties using the previous settings. We also want to keep the paint selection range small, so that it is fast for both auto result update and local feature matching. So far, we added 8 records as examples for segmentation. We can stop learning by clicking the Start button again. The records are saved in the database directory within FluoRender installation. To apply the learning results, load the table from the Machine Learning Manager. Then, go to the Component Analyzer and check Use Machine Learning. Click Generate and the learning results are applied disregarding the current settings. The machine learning results are applied to the entire time sequence via a script. Make sure the correct table name is added to the script called Component Generate. In the script panel, browse to the custom script and load it. Click the playback button to play the time sequence and run the script. The segmentation results are also shown for the sequence. To perform tracking based on the results, switch to the script track selected results. In the tracking window, set the settings and click Generate. Wait for tracking to finish and we can view the tracked results.